Ever wondered how large corporations manage their human resources? Well, the secret lies in tools like SAP HR. SAP HR, or Human Resource Management System, is a comprehensive software solution that aids businesses in managing their human capital effectively. It's a versatile tool that covers everything, from payroll and time management to employee engagement and talent development. This gives corporations a competitive edge by optimizing their most valuable resource, their people. Now that we know what SAP HR is, let's delve deeper into how it works. Understanding SAP HR isn't as complicated as it sounds. Let's dive right in. At its core, SAP HR is a tool that streamlines the management of human resources data. It all starts with the input of HR data into the system. This could be anything from employee details, job roles, to hours worked. Once the data is in the system, SAP HR works its magic. It processes this information, converting raw data into useful, actionable insights. It's like having your own personal analyst, sorting through heaps of data to find the gems of information that can help your business thrive. Let's take payroll processing, for example. SAP HR takes the hours worked, applies the appropriate pay rates, and voila! Accurate, ready-to-go paychecks. No more manual calculations, no more errors. But that's not all. SAP HR also excels at talent management. It can track employee performance, identifying those who are excelling and those who might need a little extra support. This enables management to make informed decisions about promotions, bonuses, and training opportunities. And let's not forget about time tracking. With SAP HR, you can easily see who's working, who's not, and who's working overtime. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire operation, all at the click of a button. The beauty of SAP HR is in its systematic and efficient nature. It takes the complexity out of HR management, turning it into a smooth, streamlined process. And that, in a nutshell, is how SAP HR simplifies human resources management. But why should a corporation use SAP HR, you may ask? Well, the benefits are manifold. Firstly, SAP HR increases efficiency in the human resources department. By automating manual tasks, it frees up time for HR professionals to focus on more strategic tasks. Secondly, it reduces errors. SAP HR's automated processes ensure that data is accurate and up to date, making payroll and benefits administration a breeze. Thirdly, it enhances employee engagement. With self-service portals, employees can easily manage their personal information, benefits, and more. But that's not all. SAP HR also provides valuable data that can be used for strategic decision-making, helping corporations to better understand their workforce and plan for the future. With these benefits, it's clear why many large corporations prefer SAP HR. But there's more to learn beyond SAP HR. It's a fantastic opportunity to broaden your skills.